In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have different billing and shipping address on Amazon. This is useful if you want your orders delivered to one place, like a home, office, or a friend, while your payment method keeps a different billing address on file. On Amazon, shipping addresses live in your address book, while billing addresses are tied to the card or payment method you use. So the key is to add the shipping address you want and then choose it during checkout. Start by opening your browser and going to Amazon.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in so you can access your account settings. At the top right of the page, hover over or click the Account and Lists menu. From there, select Account to open your main account dashboard. This is where Amazon organizes all your settings and preferences. On the account page, look for the section that manages your saved locations and click Addresses. This opens your address book, which is where Amazon stores every place you've shipped to in the past and any new locations you add. Next, click Add a new address. You'll see a form where you can enter the details for the location you want to use for shipping. Fill in the full name for the recipient, the street address and apartment or suite number if applicable, the city, state or region, and the ZEEP or postal code. Choose the correct country. Include a phone number so the carrier can contact the recipient if needed. If there's a building code, gate info, or delivery notes that help couriers find the door, add those in the delivery instructions field to reduce delays. Once you've entered everything, review it carefully for typos, especially numbers in the street address and postal code, and then click Add Address to save it to your address book. That's it. With this new address saved, you can keep your billing and shipping information separate. When you check out, select this new address as your shipping destination. Amazon will use the billing address associated with your card or payment method independently. If your card's billing address is different, leave it as it is. The system expects that. If you ever see a billing address mismatch warning, make sure the billing address on your payment method exactly matches the one your card issuer has on file. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Use standard abbreviations like ST or AV when appropriate. Avoid unusual punctuation and include any access details a driver would need. You can add multiple addresses for different recipients, and you can edit or remove them later as your needs change.